Right. So, a very good evening to everyone, my dear participants, and as well as respected trainer, Mr. Deepak Upadhyay, and other students. Today, we would like to, introduce Mr. Deepak Upadhyay. Myself is Dr. Venkat. I'm introducing related to the Deepak Upadhyay that he is going to be a cybersecurity trainer for you for this particular course. So he's having almost 8+ years of experience as an industrial person who is going to work on, senior cybersecurity consultant. So I would like to introduce about your Alladi Cloud training. So we are from the, Hyderabad. We are giving both offline and online training for you. And as per the curriculum, I hope you have seen the curriculum towards the cybersecurity related curriculum and what sort of services we are providing, what exactly Alladi Cloud Training. Now I would like to visualize you certain facilities what we are providing. Can you please show the attention for 2 minutes? Then the Mr. Deepak Upadhyay is going to carry the demonstration. So kindly please, let us show you that what exactly demonstrate about Alladi Cloud Training is. Yeah.
Are you looking to kickstart your career in technology or elevate your coding skills to the next level? Look no further. ACT is your ultimate destination. It offers unparalleled resources, cutting-edge training, and expert guidance you need to stand out in a competitive sector. ACT is short for Alladi Cloud Training, a US-based institute now opening its doors in Hyderabad. Founded by a US technology leader with over 30 years of experience, ACT is your gateway to becoming a top-tier software developer or a tech professional. Our comprehensive curriculum covers everything from trending tech languages like Java, Python, and AI, to essential fields such as data science, cybersecurity, Flutter, AWS, Selenium, Salesforce, C with data structures, and ServiceNow. Each course is designed to meet the current industry needs. And guess what? Whether you belong to a tech or non-tech background, we've got you covered. Our training goes beyond theory. It's hands-on, project-oriented, and rooted in cutting-edge American teaching methodologies. Our trainers are led by US experts who bag over 30 years of experience leading hundreds of teams and thousands of projects, generating revenue worth billions of dollars, and now they're here to guide you. But that's not all. At ACT, we're dedicated to shaping not just coders, but confident, interview-ready professionals. We provide comprehensive support, including personality development, English communication skills, and real-world experience to ensure you're not just ready for the job market, you're a standout candidate. Our state-of-the-art facilities feature modern classrooms, spick and span conference halls, and dedicated LAN connections to make your learning experience smooth and productive. So, act now. Visit us at ACT, which is located just a few steps from the KPHB metro station. Admissions are open, and our new batches start September 18th. Take advantage of our launch offer with 50% off on fees for all the courses. Download the ACT app from Google Play or the Apple Store for access to notes, mock tests, and skill sharpening tools. For more details, visit our website and follow us on social media. Join us and unlock your potential today. Because with ACT, your future in technology is not just a possibility, it's a guarantee.
Right. So, guys, Krishna Reddy, Akshaya, Shivanand, Harini, please, you guys, please, you can listen the class, and as well as the Deepak is going to take over the class. Deepak, I'm going to make you as a host. Please, you carry your class now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
Yes, you can carry on.
Yeah. Good evening to all. I'm audible to all.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Just give me 1 minute. I'm sharing. Hello all.
Yes, you can maximize the PPT.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Deepak Upadhyay, and I have around 6 to 7 years of experience in cybersecurity industry and cybersecurity training. So this is my small introduction about myself. Also, I want to discuss the curriculum of cybersecurity. So one by one, we will discuss each and every topics. Then we will move to the PPTs. So in cybersecurity, we will understand each and every topics in the whole this syllabus. Okay. So first we'll need to understand why we need cybersecurity, what is cybersecurity, and what are the basic terminologies in cybersecurity. For cybersecurity, we require few things: basic knowledge of networking, basic knowledge of operating systems. We require. Doesn't matter if you are comes from the non-technical backgrounds, everyone know basic networking, everyone know basics operating system. Those are not don't know basic about the operating system and networking. So I will teach you all this basics concept to the advanced level concept in networking and operating system. Then you can easily understand the advanced level of cybersecurity concept in these courses. Okay. So in the first point is introduction to cybersecurity. This is the basics theory concept. There is no practical implementation in the first part, so you can easily understand. Not tomorrow, today is the demo sessions. We will discuss all this basic concept about the first topics. Okay, then we will move to the networking when we will start in the full time. Okay, then we will move to the cyber threats. What are the cyber threats and how we do this cyber threat and how we do the prevention from the cyber threat. Then we will move to the some encryption decryption techniques in cryptography. Okay, so these are the basic terms. I give you the overview about the syllabus only. Okay, not in details right now, because when you start as a full-time this course, then we will discuss each and every point in details with practical implementation. Okay, so then we will understand the very famous tools in cyber security. There are multiple types of tools, but few tools is very important for different domains in cyber security. It's like a BAPT, so compliance. So in all these domains, we use some tools and technologies. So we will discuss in this fifth chapter. Okay, then we will move to the vulnerability analysis. What is the means of vulnerability? It's like a weaknesses. So there we'll understand what are the weaknesses on the website, what are the weaknesses on the networking servers, what are the weaknesses on cloud servers. So how we can identify, how we can remove this. So this is the part of the vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. So we will understand each and every detail when we read on the chapter number 6. Then network security, how we secure the network. If some malicious activities is doing on the server, how to break this particular activity on the server, how to break the breaches activity on the particular server. So all these things we will understand in the chapter number 7. Then we will move to the web application security. Web application security is very important in the market, is more demanding sectors, web application security and network security right now. So there we will understand all the OS OWASP top 10 famous attacks. Okay. Also, we can understand each and every types of attacks. How will we do on the web server, on the mobile application server, on the cloud server, and how to defend it. Okay. So all these things we will understand with practical implementation. Also, we can understand the system-based security, means operating system-based security is the system-based security part. Okay, so how we secure the particular systems from the malicious activities. Yeah, we can say from the some unauthorized access. How we can provide the prevention to the particular system. So we can understand these things in the chapter number 9. Then we can understand identity and access management is a part of the compliance. So there we can understand the uh, how we can identify the particular things. So this is a part of the advanced levels for when you want to move in the senior profile in the industry. So there we require identity and access management knowledge. Okay, so there we can understand all these things. Then incident response is also the part of the management. When you want to move in the compliance department, there we require the how we do the incident response. So management, what type of activity do the management side. So we can understand all these things. Okay, what are the activities we do if someone attacking on the particular systems. So what are the steps we need to perform on the particular scenario. So we can understand all these things. Okay, then cybersecurity framework and compliance. So there we can do one certification for compliance is 27001 is very famous certification, is more demanding in the industry for auditing. So there we can understand all this risk management assessment and how, why we need ISO 2700, what are the component is there. So all this component we will discuss in this chapter number 12. Then we will discuss about the advanced topic in cyber security for information security engineer, for senior cyber security engineer, okay, for governance management engineer. So there are multiple senior types of profile on the managerial level. So there we require the advanced levels of concept in cyber security. After that we can understand ethical hacking, those who wants to move only in the ethical hacking field. So they can understand all these things, how we can do the ethical hacking, what are the terminologies is there, we can understand all these things, and what type of activities we do as a ethically in cyber security. Okay, I'm not teaching any unethically activities in your course, because unethically is not authorized by the government. So I'll explain only the ethical activities in your syllabus. Okay. Then last chapter is what is a certification and career. Cyber security is more demanding field right now, because everyone wants to move the business in digitally form. And if you do the business in your digitally form, so definitely people will do some activities, unauthorized activities. They want to stolen your data information from your servers, from your networks, okay, from your mobile phones. So in the previous times we do in a manually way, there is no technology, okay, but right now we do everything in on the technology. Means that our data on the cloud, it means that we need to secure our data in on the clouds. That's why we need to know about the cyber security awareness, okay. So that's why cyber security is more demanding field right now in all over the world. And in the upcoming after 5 to 10 year, more demanding fields is there in everywhere in all over the world, right? So that's why we require the few of the certification. So these are the initial and advanced level certification is there. CISSP is very advanced level certification. When you want to move on the manager profile, there we can learn about the CISSP. CH is the beginner levels of certifications. If you learn this complete syllabus, then you can easily clear the CH examinations, okay, certified ethical examination. Then CISM, okay, is a compliance and security SOC department. Then CompTIA is the beginner level set. So there are multiple types of certifications are available in the market. So you can enroll in anyone for if you want to take any international certifications. Okay, so this syllabus is completely for CompTIA Security Plus and CH both. So if you learn all these chapters properly in details, then you can easily clear the CompTIA Security and CH as a beginner levels, because this syllabus for the beginners, okay, those are don't know about the cyber security. Okay, am I audible to all?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. Okay, fine. So this is overview of the curriculum. Okay, now I'm moving to the PPTs. Okay, so first we try to understand what is the means of cyber and security. There is two terms, cyber and security. What is the means of security? Everyone know, I hope. Security means we secure some in digitally words we can say, we secure the information, we secure the data, we secure the property. That is the words of security, right? So there we uh, so there we do some activities to secure the informations. So in general terms we can say, when we want to secure our house, so what we will do, we hire the security guard, right, to secure our house, right? Yes and no. Same things we do in the cyber security. When we want to secure our information, so we require some engineers, analysts to secure our property, our information on the cloud. So we require the securities, engineers, analysts, and different profiles available in the cyber security. What is the means of cyber? There is two terms, information and cyber. Information security is differ, cyber security is differ. Information security is a vast field, okay, and cyber security is a part of the information security. Okay, few of majority of the students are confused what is the means of information security and cyber security. In the cyber security we only focus on the cyber, means we only focus on the like a browsers based on data, internet based on data. That is called the cyber security. we secure the internet data. That is called the cyber security. It's like we can say cloud data. Okay, suppose your data save on the cloud. Okay, so we want to do some activities for securing the data. So there we require cyber security terms and conditions, and we require the cyber security terminologies. Also, we need to follow terms and conditions. Based on that, we can apply the cyber security terminologies. And information security is a different word. Information security, there we can say secure all types of data. Is maybe available on your local host, is maybe available in your browser, is maybe available in your particular external hard drives. So all type of information we can secure. That is called the information. Any kind of information we want to secure, that is called the information security. But in cyber security, mainly we focus on the internet data, browsing data. Understood?
Yes,
I
yes.
hope you clear both this one, right? Then we will move to the introduction to the cyber security. What is cyber security and why we need cyber security, and what are the importance in our in real world? Okay, so we'll try to understand each and every point one by one. So basically, cyber security is what? So as you can see there, in there are multiple definitions are available. Okay, so you can just simply understand cyber security is a method. Yeah, we can say it's a techniques to secure the data from the unauthorized access. Simply, this is a single line definition. We want to secure the data from the unauthorized. Unauthorized means unknown persons wants to access your information, but you don't know who's this guy, right? So we want to secure our data, right? So that is called what? Cyber security. So cyber security is a practice. Yeah, we can say it's a technology. Yeah, we can say it's a method to secure the data from unauthorized access. So unauthorized access can perform in a different ways. It's like performing on the particular server. It's like performing in the form of the malwares. It's like performing in the form of the social engineering attacks. So there are multiple ways attacker wants to attack on. Suppose I'm talking about the black hat hacker wants to access your information. So that is called unauthorized access, because black hat hacker not asking the permissions to you. They try to attack on your server. Okay, so that's why cyber security in general terms is what? To secure the information from the unauthorized access. Understood? Is a simple definition. What is cyber security? Cyber security is the techniques to secure the data from unauthorized access. Understood, everyone?
Yes, Deepak.
Please try to respond. Okay, then
Yes, sir.
what are the importance? Okay, so as you know, cyber security is more demanding because majority of the data in all over the world is this 95% data is available on Google in the form of unstructured and structured form, right? Doesn't matter. We are not focusing on structured and unstructured. Main thing is that is the important data. So that's why cyber security is more important to secure our data on the cloud, on the server, on the particular database. Okay, so we want to secure our data from unauthorized access. That's why cyber security is more important. There is no techniques, tools and techniques to secure without cyber security. Okay, so that's why cyber security is more needed in the life. Okay, suppose I will be attacking on your Gmail ID by using phishing attack. Suppose I want to access your Gmail ID password, but you don't want to share with me, right? So I will be do some attacking techniques, okay, on your Gmail. So based on that, I will be taking the access on your mail ID. So this is the this is what? This is the attack. Okay. So this is like a phishing attacks techniques. Okay. So for this attacks, okay, we want to do some prevention techniques. Okay. That's why we require cyber security tools and techniques. Clear? So that's why cyber security is more important. Okay. Majority of the things I explaining on my words in not in PPTs, because as per my knowledge I explaining each and everything. Okay, because of I have a practical experience, so based on that I explain each and every topics. Understood?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
then
See,
and
audience,
second
if
thing
you
is
have
that,
any questions, you can ask, because,
yeah, is there any questions? Then you can ask. Yeah.
Yes.
Then why cyber security matters? Because in real world a black hat hacker do many things on the regularly basis. They try to do attacks multiple times on the particular machines on the especially they want to access the government sites because government information is more important. They want to access the military information, air force information in different countries. So this is the two real life example. This is very popular examples in all over the world because there 140 millions of people's informations is breaching by the black hat hacker. And second is also Wanakari ransomware attack. This is also very famous attack. Uh, so first attack is very simple. Over 147 million people had their people information export, including social security numbers, birth date, and addresses. Means black hat hackers can access 147 million people's date of birth, social numbers. So all this in basic information uh, they stolen. Okay. And Wanakari is a ransomware attack. It's like a malware. First, we try to understand what is the means of ransomware in this attack. Ransomware is like a technique. It's basically is a malware. Malware is what? It's like a malicious software. What is malware? Malware is a malicious software. So ransomware is one type of malware. Okay, there are multiple types of malware in cybersecurity fields. Okay, so malware is what? Is a malicious software. Suppose we can install as like a third party software in the mobile phone, but we can't identify this is a malware, this is the actual software. Few of the softwares are available on the Google Chrome. You directly download it and your system is also indicate to you this your mobile phone is showing the notification this file is harmful for your PC, for your mobile phones. You hope you observed everyone, right? This type of activities in the mobile phone, but you download it. You don't know there is some ransomware or not. There's some malicious activities or not. So malware is like a software. It's like a mobile app. It's like iOS app. It's like a normal software. But we uh, please mute the hello. Please mute the mic. Hello, am I audible to all? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So ransomware is what? It's like a blackmailing malwares. Okay. In ransomware, what type of techniques we do? Further, we will discuss. But I'll little bit give you the explanation about the ransomware. Ransomware is like a malwares. Okay. So there we do some encryptions on the data. There we apply some encryption techniques on the data. Okay. So based on that, black hat hacker, yeah, we can say that particular hacker, those wants to access your information, those wants to blackmailing to the particular person, yeah, to the particular network. So they do some encryption techniques, and there they will apply some encryption techniques. So based on that, when we want to apply encryption techniques, or then we need to provide the public key, yeah, we can say private key. Okay, this is a part of the cryptography. Further we will discuss each and every point. So they will apply the encryption techniques. When receiver wants to access the information, then receiver wants to click on the particular, yeah, receiver wants to open the particular software, yeah, open the particular links. Then that particular links, yeah, that particular software demand password is like a key. So on that times receiver surprised, what happening is there, I can't access this file like this. So they try to access but they can't access because hackers already apply some encryption techniques. So for accessing this particular information we require the key. So in this case, hacker will send some messages to the particular receiver mails, yeah, receiver machines. If you want to access this data, then you need to pay some amounts to me, then I will provide you the access. So like this black hat hacker earn lots of money on the regularly basis in all over the world using the ransomware attack. Okay, this is very popular attack in all over the world. Okay, so that's why I'm calling is this is what, this is the blackmailing attack, because black attacker access your information applying some encryption techniques on your data. So based on that you can't access your particular information. So but your information is very important. So in this case ransomware attackers demand some money. So if you pay the money, then he will provide, yes, he will provide to the access. Understood? So this is what ransomware malware. Understood? Ransomware malware. So ransomware malware is very popular attack. Okay. So WannaCry is ransomware attack is very popular in all over the world. You can search on the Googles. Both are the very famous real-time examples for cyber security attack. I hope you understand, everyone. Yes and no?
Yeah.
Okay. Then move to the impact of cyber attacks. If someone do the attack, like I'm talking about the DDoS attack. DDoS is very famous attack. Distributed denial of service is the base form of DOS attack. Then we can use the DDoS attack, because DDoS attack is much better than, because there we use the multiple system and servers using the botnet concept. Okay, those are not from technical background. They try to understand. I explaining in my simple words. Okay, what is DDoS attack? DDoS attack is a full form distributed denial of service. If suppose your business is growing, but I don't want, okay, I'm jealousing with someone, okay, I don't want is the business grow, that particular business growing more, okay, so I do what, I do the DDoS attack on the particular business website. Okay, suppose Amazon website is growing more, Flipkart is also growing, but Snapdeal is don't want. Okay, so Snapdeal hire some black hat hackers, they want to some unauthorized access, yeah, some they want to do some unethical activity on that particular website, so they will perform DDoS attack. DDoS attack is the process to slow the website, to crash the website. Sometimes you observe when more traffic is going on the particular server, then particular website is automatically clashed, right? Because of the heavy traffic. So same thing in DDoS attacks we do. We use different tools. There are multiple types of tools available in the market. We can use iOS is also very famous. Hulk is also very famous for DDoS attack. Multiple tools are available. More than 20 tools are available on Google. Okay, so based on the botnet and based on the tools, we will perform the DDoS attack on the particular business. Then particular business website is crashed for suppose for 5 to 6 days. So automatically that particular business company facing the losses, right? Yes and no. So that's why cyber security attack is more impact on businesses. Same for governments. For like suppose election is going on, if someone is doing attacking on the election server, election I forgot the words, when you select the particular party, okay, so for voting, okay, so that particular that black hat hacker attacking on the particular server, voting server, then black hat hacker can easily manipulate, right? Yes and no. So
Yes.
government in different also we can say they can attack on the government website is like defense websites, they can attack on the DRDO website, ISRO websites, okay, but we don't want to share any information, so they try to attack on the many times. Okay, then on individuals, okay, individuals means we don't want to lose our data, right? So that's why we need to apply some securities in the mobile phone, because if someone wants to access your mobile phone, always we apply the biometric fingerprint, face, right, or some patterns, some pins, right? Why we are applying? Because we don't want to share our information, right, to anyone. Only authorized person can access. Suppose I am the authorized persons, I can access the Alladi offices rooms keys, because I am the authorized member, but no one can access, no one can directly go inside the office. I hope you understand, right? So we don't want to share any individual's information to anyone. That's why cyber security is more important in the real world, and also more impact on the businesses and government and individual also. Any doubts still here?
No doubts. Can you explain like what tools you are going to be
No,
cover as part
Yeah.
of the
Uh,
entire the course, which is rather than theoretical? Can you tell
yes,
me
yes, sir.
that what tools
Yes.
exactly your industrial based tools you are going to explain?
Industrial based tools mainly we use. First, very famous tools is Wireshark. Okay, further we will cover all this. All tools is there. Wireshark, Nmap. Second is Nmap. Wireshark is very famous. Then आपका Nessus is very famous. RocketKit is also very famous. Okay, then we can use the Jetfisher. But all these tools is already installed in the operating system of Kali Linux. So for the cyber security, we must be know about the Kali Linux. Okay, when we start the sessions on the particular course. So first I need to teach basics about the cyber security, how to use the cyber security operating system, because without cyber security it's little bit difficult to do the operation on Windows, because Windows is not supporting all types of tools and techniques. So but Kali is only for the cyber security industrial experts and students. Okay, so there we will do all types of attacks. Okay, but we do only the ethical attacks. Okay, so there Wireshark is already there. Wireshark is the very famous tools for packets monitoring tool. Suppose I give you the one scenario in the theoretical is a real time scenario. They do many times. Suppose I want to attack on the particular machine or particular servers. Okay, so I'm using the public IP. I'm not using my private IP because I want to do some unethical activities. So always we use the public IP. Also, we can use the NGROX. NGROX is the company to provide the public IP for unethical activities and ethical activities. Okay, so we can use public IP. Also, we can use cyber cafe systems, public systems. Also, we can use IRCT railway station Wi-Fi connections. So by using this particular Wi-Fi connection, we do some unethical activity. So Wireshark is the tool to monitor each and every packets. Okay, one second. Maybe Wireshark is there. Okay, so as you can see there in my Windows, Wireshark is there. I'll show you what type of. So they go. This is the tool. Okay, for packets monitoring. What are the packets is coming in my systems? Okay, and what are the protocols is there. So as we can see, so you can see this is my Wi-Fi. Okay, this is my ethernet is by default is there. You can go in the settings there, you can check network in the system. This is my VMware because I'm using VMware for Kali Linux. Okay, and this is my adapter because adapter is already there. NIC card is also there. So these all are the networks. So click on the Wi-Fi. There we can see the demonstration of how we can see the IP addresses. So IP is the way to identify the particular location, the particular servers. Okay, so this is the source IP. Source means I'm receiving some data. Okay, for the particular things. Okay, so this is the destination, means destination is my system. So you can see majority of the IP is same for the particular things. Okay, but you can see there majority of the servers is sources IP is also same. Okay, because right now I'm doing Zoom meeting. So for Zoom meeting we also using the internet connectivity, right? So for the Zoom meeting is continuously receiving and sender, both are different, but you can see continuously source and continuously destination IP is same because of the Zoom meeting is going on. Sometimes I'm doing some activities for clicking on the particular person, yeah, clicking on the unmute, mute, yeah, doing some another activities. Then IP will be changed because I'm browsing something from the Google's, right? This is the UDP, user datagram protocols. Okay, so currently we are using UDP. So Wireshark is the software to provide the protocol information and IP